Yes, we're here to see Miss Jenny T, the lucky recipient of the grand prize from the Call Andre CA Mortgage Group Customer Appreciation Event. Who doesn't want a MacBook? Let's go.
We got to the event, we hyped the kids up with the balloons and face painting, so that was exciting. And boom, my favorite thing I saw right away, poutine. How can you go wrong with cheese and gravy?
I want to take a moment to call up Mr. Andrew Hilton, because we were able to generate some funds for them as well.
It was everything. It was the entertainment, it was the food, it was just the way it was set up, it was the prizes that you could win, just the people walking in and out, socialization, everything. I think that made it a 10. All my chances have to be for the big prize. I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna stay until the end. She was like, that's okay, just write your name and number on the back and we'll get you if you win the prize.
9-0. Jenny T.
And at that time I was like, I guess I didn't win. They would have called me by now.
Jenny, are you in the building, Jenny?
And then as soon as I thought that, the phone rang and I'm like, wait now, let's see what he's calling for.
Why, hello, how you doing? Congratulations.
And as soon as I put my ticket in, I'm like, God, if you want me to go back to school, make me win this prize. And I won.
Mommy's going back to school. She's gonna come to school with you and sit in the class just like this.
That's what I want to do with my career, like help more kids grow, specifically Black kids. So we're on the right path to getting that done. Well, you helped me so much with getting our first home, and that's been years ago, and you're still there. You still reach out, you still invite us out, so I would like to say thank you.